Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 5 simple and easy to read books. These books can help you to become fluent in English, and you can become strong in English if you read books on a regular basis. So please watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you will get a lot of ideas. But before we start, I have a question. Do you know who is the author of the book The 5 a.m. Club? Let me know in the comment. Now let's begin with today's video. My dear friend, when I was in the process of learning English, my English teacher, he told me, Rupam, if you want to become fluent in English, if you want to become strong in English, develop the habit of reading books on a regular basis. The first important thing when you start reading a book is that you need to have a place where you can sit comfortably without anyone's disturbance, and you can read the book for 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That's the very important thing. You can choose a part of your house, anywhere, or in a park, or in a cafe. The main motto is that no one should disturb you. The importance of reading books. Firstly, and the most important thing, why you should read books daily is knowledge expansion. My dear friends, not only learning a language like English, if you want to improve your knowledge, if you want to improve your talent, reading books plays a very important role. Reading books broadens your knowledge on various subjects, helping you to become a more informed and empathetic person. For example, I have this book, The 5 a.m. Club. Now, if you read this book, you will get a lot of information about how to stay fit, how to stay healthy, how to keep your mind under control, what are the benefits of waking up early. So you need to understand which area is your interest. Suppose you love romantic books. Pick up some books of your choice and start reading those. However, when I am talking about this book, The 5 a.m. Club by Mr. Robin Sharma, this is a very easy to read books. Among all the books, I'll tell you this is a very easy to understand as well. When you read this type of books, you will understand how to form sentences, daily used sentences. Because when you read this type of books, automatically your mind will process in such a way that you will be able to speak English in a very fluent way. For example, let me read a few lines from this book. It says that, study someone playing small with their potential, and you will understand clearly why their conditions are as difficult as they are. They focus their thinking on the lack instead of plenty. Understood? So what it is saying? It is saying that a person can become what he or she thinks. If you think in a negative way, negative things will happen. If you are positive, positive things will come in your life. Next, why reading books are important. My dear friend, reading books is a very useful medium to develop your vocabulary and language skills. Reading books improves your vocabulary, grammar, communication skills. So for this, I have a book which is called the Mahabharata, specially by this publication, Spider Books. My dear friend, I read Mahabharata before by a different publication, and I have not understood anything. What happened? My interest faded. But these publications by the Spider Books brought back my interest. It is so easy to understand. Everything is transparent. Suppose if I read few lines from this book, it says that after a long time, Lord Shiva descended before him. At once, Arjuna got to his feet and prostrated before him. He narrated that sage Vyas has told him and added, "You are our savior. We need the most powerful divine weapons. It is for a noble cause to punish the wicked Kauravas." See, so easy to understand. So I will always advise you, if you want to improve your vocabulary, please go through this book. This book will give you a lot of new words, small words, which you can use on your regular life. Next, why reading books are important. It helps you to start thinking in English. Yes, my dear friend, I have a book which is called 100 Stories You Will Never Forget. Well, this is a special book for me Whenever I talk about books, I will mention this book. This is by J.P. Vaishnavi. This book contains 1 page or 2 pages stories. And for adults, this is an ultimate book. You can go through all the stories, life lessons you will learn, moral lessons you will learn, so many things you will learn from this book. For example, if I read few lines from this book, it says that, wake up in the morning, thanking God for the gift of a beautiful new day. Pray to Him, asking that He fills your day with lot of good things, willpower and determination. These 3 are the most treasured and precious gifts from God. Wow, wonderful book. So easy to understand. My dear friends, if you are in the process of learning English, if you are in the process of trying to start thinking in English, please go through this book. This is a wonderful book. Next, why reading books is important. Reading books helps you to improve your grammar. Many a time we start reading the grammar rules. But my dear friend, grammar rules will not help you in practical life. In practical life, it is a totally different world. You have to start talking in English. When you start talking in English, when you start communicating in English, automatically you will be able to speak properly and you will not make too much of mistakes. In such case, you can go through the book which is called Energize Your Mind. It is a wonderful book, my dear friend. There are so many conversations also given by Mr. Gaur Gopal Das. He says that life is a gift from God and we have to cherish it. And he also says that take charge of your mind, be in charge of your life. A wonderful book. In this book, you will come to know how you can control your mind. It's just not only running in the world. दौड़ भाग के दुनिया से आपको निकलना है. You have to prepare your mind. You have to make your mind strong. So how can you do that? You can go through this book. For English learners, well, you have to read this book. If you read this book loud and clear, there are so many things which will happen. Your pronunciation will improve. Your accent will build. And you will reach a new fluency level. So please go through this book. I'll give the link of all the books in the description. If you want, you can buy the books. Now finally, what I would like to say you, when you read books, you come across so many new things in life. Many things which you have never come across. Books will help you to reach out to those things. For example, I have a book which is called Ikigai, a wonderful book. You may not have visited Japan, so you don't know about the Japanese culture. This book tells us that Japanese art of staying young while growing old. A wonderful book where you will understand how the Japanese people live, how they are so strong to their roots, how they are so disciplined, what all things they eat, what all culture they follow, how they stay fit, they stay young till they die. This is all I have in today's video. I wish you all the very best. Develop the habit of reading at least 15 minutes every day and you see the change in you. I will see you again. Thank you so much.